Hello grade 3 students. Let's learn in this video how to write a compare and contrast paragraph. Compare, how are they alike? Contrast, how are they different? Let's look at the pictures here. What do we have? We have an apple and an orange. How are they alike? What do you think? Are they the same? We can say that they are alike because they both are fruits. Is this a fruit and this is a cake? Is this a fruit and this is a vegetable? No, both are fruits. They are the same because they are fruits. But how are they different? Let's see. This is an apple. Is this an apple? No. This is an orange, so they are different. This is a fruit, but this is an apple. This is also a fruit, but it is an orange. So they are alike because they are fruits, but they are different because this is an apple and this is an orange. They are not the same fruits. They are different. Now, let's remember, our reading lesson was about the country mouse and the city mouse. Let's see, how are they similar? The word both here in this diagram, the word both means that they are alike or the same. This is a mouse and this is also a mouse, so we can say that both are mice. Both are mice. Now, they also like to play with each other, so we can say that the two like to play with each other. Both like to play with each other, so they are mice and they like to play with each other. Now, how country mouse different from city mouse? First of all, where does the country mouse live? Does the country mouse live in the same place where the city mouse live? No, everyone lives in a place. The country mouse lives in the country in a hole under a tree. But the city mouse live in a house in the city. So they are different. Now, does the country mouse like to eat the same as the city mouse? No, everyone likes to eat a kind of food. The country mouse likes to eat seeds and plants, while the city mouse likes to eat cheese, cakes, and pies. Now, after we finished from writing the similarities and differences, we want to start with our paragraph. We have to write a topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph, and of course we want to leave a space. We want to leave a space and to write our topic sentence. The topic sentence is to introduce our paragraph with this sentence. It's a topic sentence. When we read this sentence, we know what is our paragraph about. What is our paragraph about? It's about the city mouse and the country mouse. So we leave a space and we write the topic sentence. Country mouse and city mouse are similar and different in many ways. So, when we read this sentence, we know that we want to write about the similarities and differences between the city mouse and the country mouse. So, we leave a space and we start with the topic sentence. Country mouse and city mouse are similar and different in many ways. Now, we want to start with the similarities. Let's look. What did we write in the similarities. Both are mice. So we want to write in the paragraph the similarities. We want to start with the similarities. Both are mice. What's the other similarity? The other similarity is that they like to play with each other. So, when we finish the similarities, we start with the differences. So, both are mice. Country mouse likes to play with the city mouse, and city mouse likes to play with the country mouse, comma, too. We use the word too because both of them likes to play with each other. So we didn't use the word both another time. We write country mouse likes to play with the city mouse and city mouse likes to play with the country mouse too. Now, when we finish the similarities, we want to start with the differences. What are the differences? The country mouse lives in the country and the city mouse but the city mouse lives in the city in a house. So, we want to write them here beside each other because it's a paragraph. What do you want to write? The country mouse lives in the country in a hole under a tree, but the city mouse lives in a house in the city. So, here we use the word but because we write the differences between the country mouse and the city mouse. Everyone lives in a place. So we use the word but. Now, what's the other differences? What's the other different? The country mouse likes to eat seeds and plants, while the city mouse likes to eat cheese and cake. So we will write them here. The country mouse likes to eat seeds and plants, while the city mouse likes to eat cheese, cakes, and pies. So, we use the word but here to show the differences between the country mouse and the city mouse. In the second sentence, the country mouse likes to eat seeds and plants, while the city mouse likes to eat cheese, cakes, and pies. Now, now we reach the closing sentence. So, what do you think? What do you want to write in the closing sentence? In the last sentence, the concluding sentence? Let's see. Do you like the city mouse or the country mouse? We can write, I like the city mouse or I like the country mouse. Or we can end our paragraph with a question. Are the city mouse and the country mouse nice? So, this is the closing sentence. This is the closing sentence. We finished our sentence. And this is the topic sentence. So, the topic sentence is country mouse and city mouse are similar and different in many ways. And this is the closing sentence. And in the middle, we have the details, the similarities and the differences in the paragraph. First of all, we write them in this diagram and then we write them in front of each other as a paragraph. The word but and the word while shows the differences between the country mouse and the city mouse. The word both shows that they are the same. Now, open your writing copybook and draw this diagram and write the sentences in it, and then copy this paragraph. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.